Imagine transforming your body and boosting your confidence with just 1 minute a day. Curious? Bodyweight exercises are taking the fitness world by storm, and planks are at the forefront of this revolution. Whether you're juggling a hectic schedule or struggling to find time for the gym, planking offers a simple yet powerful solution to get in shape using only your body weight. What if I told you that dedicating just 60 seconds each day to planks could unlock a stronger, leaner you? Fitness gurus swear by planks as the ultimate exercise to carve out those dream abs, even surpassing traditional crunches. But that's not all. Stay with me to uncover the incredible benefits that come with making planks a daily habit. Tired of battling back pain or fearing spinal injuries from your workouts? Planks are your secret weapon. When performed correctly, they strengthen your back without putting unnecessary strain on your hips and spine. Imagine saying goodbye to persistent back pain and hello to flawless posture. Whether you're sitting at your desk or out for a walk, dreaming of those chiseled abs and a toned physique, planks engage every major core muscle, including your obliques and abdominals, delivering results that go beyond what crunches can offer. As your planking prowess grows, so does your overall strength, enhancing your performance in other exercises like squats and deadlifts. Ladies, get ready to see your booty lift and shape like never before. But the benefits don't stop there. Planks are a metabolic powerhouse, igniting your metabolism and burning more calories than isolated abdominal exercises. More muscle means a faster metabolism, helping you burn calories even while you rest. It's like having a personal fat-burning machine right in your core. Struggling with balance? Planks can help you master it. Strengthening your core through daily planking reduces the risk of falls and improves your stability in any sport or physical activity you love. No more stumbling or losing your balance, just pure, confident movement. Feeling stressed or overwhelmed? Planks aren't just a physical workout, they're a mental one too. These exercises influence your nervous system, helping to alleviate stress, anxiety, and even symptoms of depression. By stretching out tight muscles and relieving tension, planks calm your mind and rejuvenate your spirit, making them perfect for those long, demanding days. Don't miss out on the chance to revolutionize your fitness routine and transform your life. Start planking tomorrow and watch the magic unfold within a month. Join the thousands who have already discovered the life-changing benefits of this simple exercise. Share your incredible results and inspire others to take the plunge. Ready to take the first step? Drop a comment below about your planking journey. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends so they don't miss out on these amazing benefits. For more jaw-dropping fitness tips and fascinating insights into the human body, hit that subscribe button and become part of our thriving community today. Your stronger, healthier, and happier self is just a plank away.